Welcome to Sales Kitchen Training Systems Heat Up Your Sales Series. It's a baker's dozen of 1-hour courses designed to ensure that you improve your sales results. Our main courses, Goal Setting and Quarterly Planning, are a basic menu of our selling and marketing solutions. We'll whisk in some planning calendars and reporting tools to ensure that you achieve your sales growth goals. Other courses, like Pre-Call Activities, teaches you how to consistently get in front of your ideal client. Your team will enjoy slice after slice of selling solution and ensure that they get improved results. The Sales Call teaches you how to develop, customize, and deliver consistently compelling sales presentation. Your sales team will brush up on their closing skills and be better prepared to anticipate objections and handle those pesky stalls. Getting results is all about winning. You'll realize that everybody wins. You win, your company wins, and most importantly, your customer wins. In all courses, everyone on your team will develop a detailed outline that even tracks their progress so you can see improved results in as little as 7 days. I'm Mike Cooper, head chef here at Sales Kitchen. Give us a call to conduct any or all of the Heat Up Your Sales series at your location. Your team will devour these courses and be better prepared to heat up your sales. Thank you. I look forward to working with you. See you soon.